Game EO. Game, flip it.
Parang clumsy way.
Stop judging me.
Judging you.
I'm just a step away. I'm just a bit away. Today, help, I'm messing it up. I'm messing it up.
Don't add more details. Oh, just make the eyes more balanced.
I'm dying.
I'm drawing this as fast as I can, Ella. I promise.
Okay. I'm just nervous.
Scary.
Oh my god. So
But it's Christmas. I feel the Christmas
I
vibe.
know, right? 19 more days.
The Christmas here in Manila feels so
Pinagkita ko na may
Americanized.
ko sa Tumblr. Nilagyan ko na siya na Christmas hat.
Why does the Christmas here in Manila feel so Americanized?
Well, it was introduced by the Americans.
No, gusto natin.
Wasn't it?
Grabe na record yun yung pagkanta.
We have very sa probinsya di masyadong Spanish ang pag-celebrate ng Pasko.
Nope, it's Americanized na. You go to
Look at
the...
the poor fight face. No?
Noche Buena.
Yan na lang magagamitin natin.
Ha?
Yung black na pen.
Ha?
Yan na lang black na pen gagamitin natin.
Sige.
Let it go. Let it go.
Stop!
Stop.
Tell me if you need the lyrics. I'm gonna search for cats. Pero mo, may nabasa akong fanfiction.
Wait, show me the lyrics soon, friends.
Hindi pa kasi tapos yung ano yung euro. Ay, hindi mo pa tapos yung euro, di ba? Kaya hindi ako
Anong lyrics yan? Anong part ng...
yung pinakauna. I'm just a step away. I'm just a breath away. Listen to fate today. He's really losing his fate today.
Does he look like he's losing faith? Looks like he put on half lipstick.
Stop that. Shit!
Oh, shit.
Don't make me laugh. I'm shaking.
Okay lang yun. Fast forward yun eh.
Sa bagay.
Unless...
He looks very funny.
Wake me up inside.
Nare-record
Oh,
ka
no,
ako
yes.
ng mga sinasabi natin. Ano?
Listen to our voice and our voice gonna like dogs voice.
Come on, I'm not good at reciting things. Add teeth, god damn it.
Teeth. Is that enough teeth for you, Dom?
Yes.
You want me to draw more teeth?
Draw
Unless you
that.
wanted to be buck teeth. Yeah, oh my god.
You made me cough, Dom. Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy, Dom?
Very.
I'm not happy. Hindi ko ma-feel yung Pasko.
Oo nga eh.
Kasi ang dami natin
At
ginagawa.
saka wala ka...
Don't do that, Doms!
No. At saka hindi tayo pwede mag-ano. Hindi tayo pwede mag-decorate sa mga
Oo nga.
Okay.
I'm just a step away.
I'm gonna bring
Oh
up.
my God! Ang pangit ng handwriting ko.
Dom, I'm gonna bring up our Christmas star tomorrow and hang it.
Oh my God! Eh, mabilis lang ba talaga yan?
You're making me cough.
Magkakaibang mga cut style natin.
Wala. Diretso sulat lang ako siguro. Ay, depende.
Okay na yan. Hindi, sige, after nung away.
Wait, losing my faith today.
Step and faith.
Oh, nice. Is that done?
Yes, done.
Can I pause it
Yes.
now?